What is IV therapy used for? In this video, Dr. Vladimir Alexeyenko at Restorative Medicine IV Therapy in New York answers that question along with the questions: how long does IV therapy treat wellness? How does IV therapy treat dehydration? How does IV therapy treat fatigue? And how does IV therapy improve addiction recovery? How does IV therapy treat wellness? IV therapy is a new approach to health and wellness, offering vitamins, hydration therapy, and infusion therapies to cleanse the system of toxins like NAD. Those that visit IV clinics regularly say that they do so for many different reasons. People suffering from extreme fatigue, especially conditions that are hard to diagnose and treat, such as fibromyalgia, find IV therapies to be revitalizing. Others claim that IV infusions have become their super weapon in the fight against colds, flu, and other illnesses that require a strong immune system. IV therapy treatments run the gamut from simple immunity boosters with Super C vitamin C or fat-burning B12 to more complex cleansing treatments that are said to oxygenate the bloodstream or clean out toxic metals. IV therapy is no longer seen as a treatment suitable only for serious hospital intervention. It's now considered a simple, effective way to put your system back in balance, restore energy, and eliminate unnecessary or dangerous compounds that can cause damage, and much more. Another IV therapy is called chelation therapy. This is a treatment for anyone with high levels of metals in their system. Compounds commonly found in the body include arsenic, lead, cadmium, and mercury. These metals exist in our food supply, in the environment, and they are in the products that we use. A chelation IV goes in and binds to these toxins and flushes them out as waste. IV therapy is growing in popularity because many people view it as a way to boost nutrition, increase and renew their energy levels, and cleanse their systems to support health and wellness. How does IV therapy treat dehydration? Dehydration is a common problem. One recent study found that most of us take in the majority of the hydration we need from foods and beverages. Only 30% of the men in the study said that they get hydration from plain water. Women didn't fare much better, with only 34% of them saying that water is their source of hydration. This is troubling, especially when you consider that over 70% of the body is made up of water and it needs to run efficiently. Everything from weight loss to immune system function and joint health relies on the body being adequately hydrated. IV hydration therapy is a service being offered at many IV clinics. The benefits reported by clients of IV salons include a renewed energy, an improved outlook on life, and even improvements in physical appearance since water helps skin cells regenerate. IVs are safer and more natural than most people think. When stress, poor diet, over-celebrating, or health conditions deplete the fluids and nutrients in the body, feeling tired is one result. Also, joints may ache or dehydration triggers migraines, heart palpitations, chills, and even dizziness. IV therapies work quickly, delivering bodily fluids that include electrolytes, nutrients, and saline to be absorbed almost immediately. This supports cells as they revitalize and regenerate, which increases your energy, improves organ function, including brain function, and regulates body temperature. In just 30 minutes or less, an IV hydrating solution promotes recovery, restores energy, strengthens immunity, and allows pain-free joint mobility. How does IV therapy treat fatigue? Fatigue is a universal condition that we all face at one time or another. Most of the time, it can be traced to habits or routines, such as a lack of physical activity or exercise, or eating foods that lack the nutrients that our bodies need. In some cases, it can be caused by an underlying health condition. One of the common causes of fatigue is stress. There are chemical responses in the body triggered by ordinary levels of stress, chemicals that work to deplete the minerals and nutrients the body needs to have energy and to function at peak efficiency. Many people are choosing IV therapy as an antidote to the damage stress can do over time. Stress is one of the worst enemies we face because it creates an excess of free radicals in our system. The scientific explanation behind free radicals is complicated, but the basic facts are that free radicals are atoms that are unstable because they are supposed to be pairing with electrons. When there are too many of them and they can't locate an electron to bond with, they can wreak havoc. An IV therapist trained in stress management can assess your body's specific condition and the amount of stress you are under and prescribe and administer a health cocktail that will eliminate these free radicals and allow your cells to function normally. The benefits of this kind of therapy include a renewed sense of energy, a stronger immune system, and even improved cognitive function and mental health. How does IV therapy improve addiction recovery? Addiction to controlled substances and alcohol has become a huge issue. To many folks, even in the medical profession, cannot see addiction for what it actually is, a disease. Managing addiction is extremely difficult, and many have found recovery supported by IV therapy to be more successful. The regular use of a toxic substance in the body means that chemical processes, especially in the brain, are malformed around that toxic substance. This explains why someone with addiction finds it hard to just quit. They only feel normal when the abused substance is present. IV therapies restore nutrients and assist with rehydration. This means cells and organs can start to function more normally without the toxic substance. IV therapies such as NAD can promote proper brain function, including the part of the brain that impacts mental health issues like depression or anxiety, ending a vicious cycle. NAD or NAD+, IVs infuse a natural occurring coenzyme that will support the body's ability to produce energy. By boosting the NAD, DNA can repair itself more readily, and the brain can reconstruct synapses that may have stopped functioning. There is some speculation that people with lower levels of NAD are more likely to suffer from addiction, depression, and other disorders. NAD infusions are a no to low risk treatment option to support traditional recovery efforts. How does IV therapy treat hangovers? Many people enjoy social drinking, sharing good times with friends and family over a glass of wine, beer, or a nice cocktail. We all understand moderation is best, but most of us have overindulged at one time or another. The rate at which the body processes alcohol is different for everyone and varies based on the circumstances. Your body weight, height, physical exertion, hydration level, even the amount of food you've eaten can impact what you experience when you drink. Unfortunately, this can also mean that you experience feeling tipsy or drunk after it is too late to do anything about it. Then it's hangover time. One of the most popular IV therapy treatments are hangover IVs. The chemical imbalance that too much alcohol causes can trigger other reactions. Issues such as a pounding headache, an upset stomach, joint or muscular pain, and fatigue can all occur during a hangover. IVs are fast-acting and will eliminate the symptoms of a hangover in less than an hour. Many people trust hangover IVs not just to combat the effects of a hangover, but also to eliminate the toxins before they can do damage to their organs, especially the liver or the heart. Typical hangover solutions combine saline solution, a fluid found naturally in the body, with electrolytes and nutrients. The hangover IV is usually a mix of B vitamins, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, calcium, anti-inflammatory agents, and glutathione, an important antioxidant. To learn more about these specific uses for IV therapy, schedule a consultation today with Dr. Alexeyenko at Restorative Medicine IV Therapy by calling his office at 917-994-9390.